Hi friends, I'm David Lopez, celebrity hairstylist, content creator, and hair extension enthusiast. Welcome to Luxy's YouTube channel. Get ready to learn. If you have thinner hair or finer hair, clip-in hair extensions are a great way to build a little more confidence and really switch up your style. And Luxy has two really great options for you. One is going to be the thinning hair fill-ins. This is a really great set because it reminds us of the seamless clip-ins that we've seen before, but this comes with 6 pieces. It's still that very thin weft at the very top. It lays flat to the head, and there's a mixture between these double clips and single clips. This is great for those of you that are wanting to just add a little more sort of body to the hair. You're looking to fill in some of the spaces where you feel like the scalp is showing a little bit too much, or you feel like maybe some areas are finer than others. Great for around the hairline, great for maybe if you have any areas of breakage. I love these for that. But if you have more finer hair where it's not quite as dense and you're seeing a lot more of the scalp, we have these scalp hair fill-ins. Now these are very different because you'll notice here that they're on this thin mesh band, very breathable, and also the top of it is meant to mimic the way the hair naturally grows out of the scalp. So you're able to really place these up higher on the head and not worry about someone seeing maybe the silicone band on the seamless clip-ins. This is fantastic for my clients and those of you watching that feel like, I just wish I had a little more density right at my part, and you can put these right in here. We talk a lot about customizing at Luxy, and I love having these in your sort of styling kit, in addition to having maybe the seamless collection, right? Because you can then also put in your regular clip-ins and have these for up here where you wanna have an even more seamless finish in a way that you can put it up more near the scalp and not worry about having that silicone band. So you can see even just with that, how that mimics the natural hair growth and gives us that really beautiful, natural, subtle volume that does not rely on hairspray or teasing or styling. So you immediately get that fill-in at the scalp. And this is especially important for those of you that feel like you see a lot of your scalp. When we talk about hair not being quite as dense, this is perfect for you. Whether or not you just have these or you have any other fill-ins or the seamless collection as a whole, blending, mixing, and matching the solution that's right for you is gonna be really easy to figure out. In my chair and in my DMs, one of the rising sort of trends I've been seeing is people feeling like they're losing a lot of hair over the last couple of years. Whether that's from health factors or lifestyle factors, this is a very real problem that I see a lot of my clients facing. And luckily we have solutions for you while you are in that transitionary period, whether this is something that feels more short-term or something you've had your entire life. Now, if you want to be able to really customize your fill-in journey, you can also try the Luxy Thinning Bundle, which is going to have the scalp hair fill-ins and also the thinning fill-ins as well. So you can bundle those together and really customize it, especially if you're someone that's looking for just more fullness and also hide any sort of thinning areas that tend to be higher up on the scalp. Perfect bundle for you.